Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off keyboard light on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Out of all the features, keyboard backlighting has probably raised the most eyebrows and received the most praise. My keyboard's light not only illuminate the perimeter of each key but also shine directly through the letter and symbols, making typing at night simple and easy on the eyes. So, what if you want to turn off this feature? Maybe for some reason you want to save your battery on your MacBook. It's very simple. If you search in here on the system preferences and you go to keyboard, you can only find adjust keyboard brightness in low light. So where to turn off the keyboard brightness? It's very simple. You don't need to go to system preferences. So you can just go to your menu bar on your MacBook, click in here in your system, and you'll find there is an option keyboard brightness. You can select on that. So here you can adjust your keyboard brightness. If you want to make it brighter, you can slide to right, and if you want to turn off, you can just like this. So now your MacBook's keyboard is turn off. The keyboard brightness is turn off, so you can save your battery on your MacBook. It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn off keyboard brightness on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.